Yo, hair tonic. Alright, so now my hair is damp. It's not really wet. We're gonna blow dry using the diffuser attachment. Hot 2. I'm just gonna go for volume. I'm gonna go real close to the scalp, but not on it. Cool. So I'm gonna be going with two of my favorites, Lockhart's Unorthodox Goon Grease, the water-based, and Lockhart's Anti-Gravity Matte Paste. So I wanna use this mainly for my sides. My sides stick out like crazy. I can't grow it out. Excuse me, all I can do is grow it out. So I'm in a weird phase where it's not there yet. This is really tough. Once it's good to go, I'm just gonna run it strictly on the sides. As you can see, it's probably still not enough. I might go with a second scoop. The anti-gravity paste is by far my favorite pomade right now. So it really lives up to the name, anti-gravity. I get sky-high pumps with this. We're gonna go with the lower heat setting. Oh, and now we're just ready. Comb everything in place. The blow dryer got everything shaped well. The brush gets everything lined up. It's nice, right? It's nothing crazy. My hair only sticks straight up, so you'll never really see a curl. But it's a great pump so far. Next, I got a wire round brush, and I'm just gonna use it to roll down and comb back. It's gonna be really hard to do this looking at the phone behind the camera, but here's the idea. And then I just go back. And if I missed or messed up some hair, then I'm just gonna repeat. Alright, so these two are not oil-based like I normally use. Because of that, they'll dry up. So really take care of things when you're combing it in. Make sure it sets well, and you'll be set all day. Hairspray if you really feel you need it. Alright, so there you have it. Lockhart's Goon Grease Unorthodox, Anti-Gravity Matte Paste. Two wonderful products, two of my favorites. Bye.